Welcome back po muli po tayo. Welcome back po sa ating liga ng mga lumilipad, ang Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. Ito po yun. Teka lang, hindi nagpaparampa ang aking prompter. Teka lang po ha. Game, tara. Wala yata. Nagpapak lang. Okay, this is your Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League, season number 5. Brought to you by Treden Nielsen, Team LBC Hire ng Padala, and of course SPB Ara and PSBQ Basketball League. And presenting our participating teams: Cabin Line, Hub Lounge, Oryx Basketball, In Flights, Boleros, Airport United, QR Towers, Freighter, Sky Team, and Mechanicals of course, and Caspo, ating pong defending champion. Welcome now sa ating eliminations. First game for tonight. Eto na po tayo. The battle po, Oryx Basketball versus Airport United. Follow-up all course. Sa araw po ito is Freighters versus In-Flight. And last but not least po is CAS versus Mechanicos. Yan po, mamaya po. Pero meantime, dito muna po tayo. Oryx versus Airport United. As of now, the team now is now starting to assemble sa ating unang laro po sa gabi ito. Yan, inassemble lang po dyan. Of course, ang Oryx will play always white. And of course, ang Airport United will play blue. Yan ha. And of course, bukas naman po tayo is Boleros versus Hub. And of course, pagkatapos po yan po is Cabin Line versus Qatar Airways Sky Team. Yan, ang bago pong tipo is yung Cabin Line Freighters. Yan ha. Bigyan ko naman insights po ha. Ang bagong team po natin po is Cabin Line Freighters. Yan ha. And of course, nakita po natin po dyan ang revamped version na po ng Oryx and of course Airport United. And we'll see po sa ibang mga teams po mamaya po. Yan po ating po ha. Ito po ating, I repeat, ito po ating po participating teams: Cabin Line, Hub Lounge, Oryx Basketball League, In Flights, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, QR Towers, Freighter, Sky Team, and The Mechanicos. Welcome po sa gamit po tayo po nga po. Of course, we're just waiting now sa ating mga maglalaro po ngayon sa gabi ito. This shows you Arvin G Vlogs is you, and we're now waiting for opening bell or opening buzzer to start the game proper. Ito po tayo po. Ito po ang liga na malilipad muli po. Airport Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Yan ha. Welcome back po muli po sa ating po lahat po. I miss you all po talaga. Ito po ngayon ang ikampo ang Standard League na po ng Qatar Airways. Okay, ito po ang ating Standard League na po ng Qatar Airways. Sige po, Sir Masbang is watching, Sir Rob kasi is watching already, Jao Gamit is watching, si Nasir Maggaber Najib is watching, si Eusebio is watching already, and many more. You're watching right now. The first game for tonight ng playing white now. That's Oryx Basketball Team versus playing blue. Yan po ang Airport United. Okay, Airport United po winning or should we say placing first runner up. Dahil natalo po sila po ng of course CAS. At the same time, nandun po rin po sa kanila po nagdalo po si Babaga, yung reigning MVP po of the season. At iba pa po dyan. Good morning po dyan. Good day po dyan po. Good night po sa pula po dyan. We're about to start right now sa ating festivities. This shows with you Arvin G Vlogs. And of course, Eric Grama. Good luck Airport United. Bantayin nyo si Lodi Melvin. Hoy Grama, nasan ka rito? Where are you Grama? Where are you my friend? And once kita po natin po dyan, mukhang pinabata po ngayon yata lalo ang Airport United. Same time po, nandiyan na po si Dimakali. From In-Flights, he transferred now to Airbase Airport United. Of course, ang matindi po dyan po is si Scotland po from Aviation Airport United. Napunta na po ngayon sa Oryx. The team has rebuilded already. At malalaman po natin po if the rebuilding has paid off. Mamaya po dyan, after 2 minutes, we're about to start now the opening whistle. Itong host with you, Arvin G Vlogs with you. Okay, timeout, shoutout po dyan po kay Mr. Lipit, Francis Lipit. Okay, thank you po. Shoutout, of course, thank you pala po. Nandito po sa Idol Casas and Company. Yan, Idol Casas. Yan, pambato po ng Qatar team po yan sa GCC po. Yan, si Casas and Company po nandiyan din po, grazing in po sa ating ligang ito. Okay. Osim Brantes is watching also. Sige, tayo po tayo po dyan. Of course, nandiyan si Chu Deluxe. At nagsama rin yata ng isang ano rin, pambato na rin. Talaga nag-rebuild yata talaga rin po ang Oryx. Okay, sige po. Teka lang po tayo. Ayan na po tayo ngayon. Sinecheck lang po nila po yung ano, dahil si nakababa kanina dyan, yung ring. Kaya sinecheck lang po nila ngayon. Sige po, Lodi Hicks. Okay, sabi ng Osim Brantes, Chris Munir is watching right now. Kalilong, okay. Kalilong, gusto ko na siya. Welcome muli po ang Liga na Lumilipad. Of course, nandiyan po, Happy Mother's Day po yung sumula po. Okay ha, Happy Mother's Day po ha. Yan ha, Happy Mother's Day po sa akin ng mga commander po at ilaw ng mga tahanan po dyan. Yan ha, mga commander po sa ilaw ng tahanan po. Of course, sampun mga kanyang mga ano po talaga. Okay, whistles about now. We're about to start right now sa ating 5th season Aviation Friend League, dubbed as the Flying League. Maraming salamat po and back to the max po ngayon. Of course, nandyan siyempre siya of course si Isko. Yan, of course siyempre si Idol. Okay, yan na nabubuo na rin sila. And finally now, Escat now was acquired already now by Oryx. Yan, talagang balitang-balita yan. Idol, yeah. Welcome po.
Lalaki nito.
Hindi, nag-rebuild talaga, sir. Nag-rebuild. Ang tanong dyan, is Escat bang ano? Is Escat bang missing link? Oh, si Bakal. Si Breton, or si Bakal yan, si Bakal.
Ano natalunan yan?
Hindi, yan na. Ito na kasi yung ano, malamang. Ang matunog dyan, si Escat doon, nalipak sa... Eh na, Escat bang missing list sila? Hindi manalo na, di ba lang checkpoint?
Oo, walang magtutulong sa kanila eh.
Ito na ba?
Baka makatama.
Hey sir, anong nawala si Di Makali?
Maraming nawala sa amin.
Ha?
Si Dimac, yan.
Makal, nalipat si Dimac. Si Ariola yata nag-retain sa
Hindi, si ano to? Si Fred. Tama,
Di Makali nga. Si Ariola naman. Si Pap maglaro sa kanya. Si Pap.
Dito yan.
Sa inyo? O saan? Kasi si ano? Pati si Golden Boy Bulawan nandiyan. Si Bulawan yan. Naglaro sa amin yan. Si Golden Boy Bulawan.
Ano meron mo sa loob?
Ay, may ano yata. Oy, Bulawan, ano team mo? Palbase na. Si Golden Boy Bulawan. Golden Boy Bulawan in the house.
Ay, alam mo mukha? Gwapo.
Bisa boss, bisa. Good luck pre, kay ma'am. Good luck ko sa inyo. Okay, si 1titan po tayo po dyan. We're about to start right now. Nag-warm up from both teams po natin. Ito, matindi po to. Kapanapalabik, bakbakan to the max. Airport United versus, ano po natin yan, ang Oryx basketball team. Okay, hintayin po tayo. Sige, hintayin po tayo po dyan. Ano, Kandol? Sino sa ano? 40s? 50s? Sino pang bata to?
Okay na ilaw natin ha. Ito yung ano natin dito. Baka madilim, pag madilim pa rin, magreklamo ka sa kanya. Okay na. Okay na ilaw natin ha. Hindi, pagkasa ka lang. Ano yung napakalakas din pa rin? Nandiyan pa si Ines sa'yo.
Okay, sisimulan po natin po dyan. Good luck po pala po both teams. So, okay, taga, Kristan, watching from Katbalogan. Okay, thank you po, Sir Tan. Kristan in the house. Melvin. Okay na, nagkakamay na po. Mukhang ano rin. Melbs. Ito, Sir Melvin. Good mo siya, Sir. Mukhang talagang, nag-revamp kayo, I think so.
Yeah, change, may mga change layer.
Yes, evident po talaga.
Sana this time.
Yeah, paano masabi ba na ito ba yung parang mga missing link na talaga?
Sana.
Mga missing piece ang puzzle nyo ng Oryx?
One at a time lang muna tayo.
Okay, sige po.
Tingnan natin.
Okay. Good luck po, Sir Melvin and Idol. Good luck sa billiard din. Okay, si Bakal. Si Bakal, oh, maraming pake yan. Si Bakal Boy. Okay. Okay, we're about to start right now sa ating liga po ngayon. Meron ko shout out po kay Julius Babagay, kay Barantes, si Sir Duma is watching, si Dirk Barros is also watching, Billy Shell is watching, JP Bron, sige po, come one, come all. Okay. Yan na, nice one. Okay, first five, one on the first five. Tinatawagan na po ang first five, and this game is sponsored by SPB RR, courtesy of Rep King and Company for maintaining the peace and orderly manner of the game. Yan. Let's start right now in 3, 2, 1, and welcome po tayo. Shout out po kay Ivan Cariazo, sabi ni Mr. Duma. Okay. Okay, tara po. Ayan po yung mga ano. Okay, tara po. Let's just waiting now. Okay. Final instruction for both coaches. And of course, after this, come out and fighting. We're about to start right now sa ating ligang po ito. Dito po ang liga ng mga lumilipad, Aviation Friendly, dubbed as the Flying League. Okay, first match, first five. The rules still the same. Barangay rules po tayo in the first 3 quarters, and the final quarter will be yung pinaka-solid na po. Yan po. It will go through until finals po. Okay? Tama, no?
Para mag-practice
Oo, ito na. Ha? So, sir,
Shoutout po! Nanonood ba si Reggie?
baka. Yan, Golden Bay Bulawan. Yan na, Golden Bay Bulawan is there in the house. Of course, si Smith. And of course, si number 9, si Medina. And of course, si number 17, si Sabido. Okay, Kabilang po si Ilaw, si Kandol, si Babagay, si number 24 at si number 16. Ito na. Okay, titingnan po natin po. Ito na. Ito po ang standard league po ni Sir Philip po. Ang Aviation Friendly dubbed as the Flying League. Sir, bigyan mo. Sir Philip, patuloy po sa ating season number 5 na po, sir. Di ba, sir? Voice over na lang. Voice over lang. Voice over lang. Voice over lang po.
Sasabi sa
Ay, speechless. Okay, speechless po yung ating pong buting commissioner po. Si Sir Philip. Of course, si Al Natur. Ayan, si Al Natur po, yung kanilang yung kanilang pinaka big man po. Okay, ito na. Okay, let's start right now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, first possession goes to the white shirts. White shirts. Medina, nag-drive. Nope, it pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts almost. And still, balik po tayo sa puti. Bolang puti po tayo. White ball. White ball po tayo. White ball. Ball is white. And nice. No good. One more time. Palpal sana. No. No. Okay, Babagay. Binababa siyang ulit dito mong yun. Shot kay JB. And now, Jesse Brandes, Cervantes. Babagay. Nilabas muna. Lopez. Nandun. Ninakawan. Medina. No, drop pass. Kay Latour. Still completed. Number 16. Lopez. No good. White ball. Smith for the inbound. And to Bulawan binabang bola. The Golden Boy is out. Shot kay Di Marasigan. Smith. Driving strong. Slicing and dicing. 2 points. Smith 2 points. 8:50 remaining. First blood drawn by the white shirts. And now, Mr. Kandol, Espiritu. Number 16. One pick. Kandol. Pops up for 3. No good. Kaldog. And now, white shirts in no run. No pitch. Espiritu. Number 16. Driving strong. Nandun. Ilaw. 2 points. Ilaw 2 points. Shoutout JB ha. Kasabi ni Mr. Christian. And now to Mr. Babaga Bulawan, Medina, Al Natur, jumper shot, yes sirree! Jumper, 2 points, Mr. Natur, 2 points. Al Natur, 2 points sa kanilang big man. Espiritu, against Medina. Espiritu, nagtitimong yun. Hoy! Offensive foul called on Babagay. Moving pick. Moving pick hotel ka doon, boss. Moving pick. Bulawan po ba? Nope, ayaw po niya. That's number 17, Sabido. To Medina, nagtitimo ng bola. Medina, let's go AU, sabi ni Kristan. Ayun, sa ilalim. Number 17, naipit. Nanakawan. And now, Babagay, driving strong. Ayan na, 2 points, Babagay. 2 points. No foul called. 2 points. And now kay Bulawan, the Golden Boy is in. And now kay Smith thinking 3. Ayaw. Driving. Kung anong pick. Smith again. Nawalang bola kay Smith. 4 all po tayo. And to Spiritu. Step on the brakes to Babagay. No good. And Spiritu, foul called. Blue ball. Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball. Mga nagpapasala po sa mga nagpapasala po sa langan po si Bulat. Ay, mali. Palitan ng boses. Okay, number 11. Ilaw, Espiritu, number 16. 16, pinapatid Medina. Guarding Espiritu. Kumuha ng pick. Driving strong. Nice dish pass. Wala. Hoy, good ball. Bulawan, binaras na. Kandol, nanakawan si Medina again. Kandol, wala. No foul. And to Lopez again. 24 Lopez for 3. No good. Al Natur. 4 all po tayo. 6:34 remaining. And Smith. Foul call. Oh! Blue ball. Global po tayo now. Lopez again. 6:17. 4 all. Kandol for 3. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Smith. Binababa ang bola. Si Smith. Smith. And one playmate for Smith for sure. And mga bata. And one place for Smith for sure. And one place Smith. Good evening po. Good evening po. Okay, A.O. Smith or Air Aviation Smith or Aircraft Smith. Number 13 Smith shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 4-6. 6:02 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Rebound Lopez. Lopez. Hinaharas ni Bulawan. Lopez. Bulawan. Foul called. Same ball. Same ball. Bulawan called for the foul. Bulawan called for the foul. 5:52 remaining. 4-6. Score pa is 4-6. Lopez, binababa ang bola. Kilaw, lost the ball almost. Babagay, driving strong, pops up. No, it's this pass. Latour, headed at siya. Uy! Traveling call on bola. Traveling call on Latour. Nice call, ref. 5:30 remaining. Okay, second liners po natin. Handaan-handaan na po kayo. Kayo na isasalang. Second liners. Espiritu. Nope, it's Lopez. Lopez. Running shot. No good. Rebound, Smith. Smith, tanga-rebound. Now to Bulawan. Siya nagbabawa ng ula. And now to Medina. Medina. Diretso pass na Latour. Latour. Foul. Hop. Teka lang. Easy lang tayo. Friendly game lang tayo mga boss. Friendly game po tayo. Friendly game. Okay, ano lang tayo. Okay, referees now is now having some decision already. Okay, meeting ng referee. Nagto-toolbox talk po sila. Meeting. The referee says, shoutout kay Boss Albert Malasigan, sabi ni Joe Gamit. Taki Pintal, shoutout kay JB ng Cavite. Okay, the referee says, here's the verdict. Okay, referee says na pinagbibitingan pa. Number 24 called for a foul. Airport United. Number 4 Smith, second demotion, intentional foul. Okay, and for sure 2 shots given sa Airport United. 1 shots given for Airport United. Number 24 Airport United shooting for the bonus free throw. Out of the intentional foul of Smith. Shot kay JB Hunter. JB Lopez. Point for Lopez. Change 5 already. Change 5 tayo. Okay, change 5 tayo. Change 5. White ball. Second 5. Briton, Chudelax, Jose. Number Carriazo and Abrantes. Okay. Kabilang po of course si Manson, si Escobedo, si Dimac, and of course si Carriazo. Nawalang bola. Briton. Bakal. Jose. Driving show. Kick pass. Nice one. Carriazo. No good. Rebound by Chudelax. Carriazo again. Jose for 3. No good. Rebound again by the white shirts. Wala. Manson. To Dimakali number 17. Manson for 3. Bang! Silin! 3 point. Manson, 3 points. 8-6 ang score po natin. Bob, naka-rebound. Manson na naman nagmamayari si Manson. It's Di Macali, touch pass. Same ball. And time of call go by Oryx. Oryx now call for his first timeout. The score is 8-6 at 4:16 remaining. 8-6, 4:16 remaining po tayo. This is the eliminations. And first game for tonight po is Airport United versus Oryx. And bola po ng Airport United. Airport United. Di Macali. Again, Manson na naman. Wala. Rebound. Jose. Now to Chudilax. Chudilax. Hinahabol ni Bob. Bob against Chudilax. Nope. It's Abrantes. And to Briton. Malasang pasa. Bob. Okay, back to the backcourt. Okay, Airport United ball. Bob for the inbound. Bob for the inbound. And to Escobedo. Di Macali kumakat po si Francisco. Di Macali sa ilalim. Nababantayan po ni Brantes. Briton. Naku ng pick. Bob, naka-rebound. Nope, it's Francisco. Nawala ang bola. Bob for 3. Bang! Sinin! Bob, 3 points. Shoutout kay Team Oryx. Sabi ni Stasman. Sabi ni Dalida, ang lakas ko ng lineup. Shoutout kay Mang Jose. Si Lolo Jose. Okay. Sabi ni Duma. And now, number 24. And to Cariaso, 11-6 posisyon natin. Ang 5-point advantage. And now, Tumbisa Briton pops up. No good. White shirts. Jose again for 3. No good. Hagis ulit kay Bob. Bob nagmamadali. Bob. 2 points, Bob. Bob, 2 points. Again, 13-6. Briton. Cariaso for 3. No good. Walang rebound ang white shirts. Francisco. Manson for 3. No good. And white ball. White ball po tayo. White ball po tayo. Now to Mr. Briton. Briton, binababa ang bola. Briton. Nice kick pass kay Chudilax. No good. Rebound ng Brantes. Cariaso kumat. Difficult shot. And blue ball. Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball. 2:10 remaining first quarter. Drawing to a close. 13-6 ang ball score po natin. A 7-point advantage been posted by Airport United. Di Macali drive strong. Kick pass. Nando si Breton. Kick pass kay Jose. Walang pinasahan. Good ball. Cariaso. Foul. Foul on Di Macali for sure. One for penalty po ang Team Airport United. 13-6 yung score po natin. 14 fouls already para sa Airport United. Briton, driving strong. No pitch Jose, driving again. Driving Jose. No good. Binatong bola. Nando si Chudilax. Nando si Manson. Wala. Rebound. Bakay. Okay, same ball po tayo. Airport United ball pa rin po tayo. 1 minute 20. A minute 20 remaining. 13-6 points score po natin. Napako po tayo doon. 13-6-4. We've been nailed at 13-6 for some time now. Escobedo, 2 points Escobedo. Escobedo, 2 points. 15-6 and 9 point advantage now be posted by Oryx. Over Oryx rather. Airport 9 over Oryx. Chudilax. Cariaso, kick pass. Barantes, Yuso. 2 points. Cobra Barantes, 2 points. And D-Mac. Dimacali. Wala. Pero pumasok for Dimacali. Dimacali, 2 points. 44 seconds remaining. A 9th point advance again. Jose. Cariaso. Cariaso. No, it's Chudilax. No good. Rebound. Bakay. 2 points. Briton, 2 points. 25 seconds remaining. 17-10. Francisco, binabati Jose. Jose, binabati Jose. And now, Bob. Francisco. No good. Out of bounds. And blue ball. Blue ball. Bob for the inbound. Walang tubig, boss. And Bob for 3. Nope. Manson, default shot. Wala. Bob. No good. Okay, first quarter ended. The score is 17-10. Lamang po ang blue. Ang team blue po, yan po ang Airport United. 17-10 po ang score po natin. 17-10 is our score right now. Pure Towers also has no games for today, but next week we'll see them in action. And tuloy-tuloy na po yan. 11 kasi po ang teams po natin dito, and one team will sit out. And afterward po, tuloy-tuloy po ang kanilang Okay, true. Okay, number 9, of course, sa second quarter po tayo. Number 9, number 10, si Jepox, si Ilaw pa rin po tayo, at si Bisto Brother. Kabila, of course, si Scott, si number 23, si Bernie, at si Limkako. Yan. Shoutout, sir. Parang si Ibot. Okay, Scott. Nope, Scott. Nabantay na. Nagbabantay si Scott ngayon. Cordero, nakalusot. Bisto for 3. No good. Albert, Scott ang mamadali. Si Scott ang mamadali yun. Scott, ayun kay Limkako. 2 points. Bisto, binabantay ni Scott. Si Scott, binabantay. Naghahabol si Scott ngayon. Parang And Isko, now to Bisto number 2. Bisto, hoop shot, 2 points, wow! Pinopuntira. And now, of course, Scott, Nando, Melvin, ayaw, Melvin, no good. Walang rebound, blue ball, 19-12. Ito, Bisto, binang Melvin, Cordero, ayaw, number 60. And one play! That's number 10, Pau shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 21-12. A 9-point advantage now been posted by Team Airport United over Oryx. 9:07. Okay, Pau, number 10, shooting for the bonus free throw. It's out. Rebound. Limkako and it's Scott. Scott, walang bola. Bisto nagmamadali. Albert. Cordero, 2 points Cordero. 8:51 remaining, 23-12. Scott, driving Shong. Scott, 2 points Scott. Gulang move. Scott, pinapakita pa rin siya pa rin ang there's something still with him. Pinababa po ngayon Munoz or Cisco. Cordero, Munoz against Melvin. Release still completed. Kick pass kay Melvin. Melvin versus Munoz. Melvin, 2 points Melvin. Melvin, 2 points. Albert, binabantayan si Cordero. Pau, Bisto, number 2. Cordero for 3. No good. Rebound. Oy, may foul si Jepox. Jepox called for a foul. The score is 23-16. Unti-unti pong humahabol na po ngayon ang Team Oryx over. Still lamang pa rin po ang Airport United. Boss Alien. Okay, Alien. Jao gamit. O, sige po, mag-like po kayo po dyan. Escad against Isko. Ayun, kilim Kako for 3. Nope. Boy, foul called. Who's foul rep? Conor Scott. Cordero for the inbound. Visto in the wing sa gaantay ng kanyang pasa. With Pau Olson, number 10. Built for speed po yata yun ng Airport United. Visto. Visto called for the foul against Scott. Naalog. Second personal foul on Scott. Third team foul para po sa Oryx basketball team. 7:27 remaining. O sige po tayo. And to Pau. Pau. Nope. It's Cordero. Cordero. Bang! Sinin! Cordero 2 points. Scott William pa nagmamadali. 10 kalamangan. Scott. Scott. No good. Melvin stole the ball. Melvin. Ay! Stepping on the line na. Nawala ng espasyo. Out of space. 7:04 remaining. Ito po tayo. 26-16. Cordero. Munoz. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Birdie. And now to Scott again. Scott. Nakalusot. Foul called. Visto number 2 called for a foul. And si Melvin Naderas for the inbound. The score is 26-16 at 6:48 remaining. Okay, sige po. Wala pinasahan. Pau nagmamadali. 3-on-2. Visto. Running shot. No good. Melvin. Who's ball rep? Okay, it's white ball. Scott, muli po tayo. 26-16. Birdie. Limkako. Big man. Sa ilalim. Masyadong malalim. Foul! No, Mr. Limkako. That's Pagandaman, number 23. Number 23, shooting for 2. Number 23, shooting for 2 po tayo. 23, shooting for 2. Sige po tayo. Pops up. No good. Second shot, jumper ready. Second free throw, jumper ready po tayo. Last throw, number 23, 6:16 remaining. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Jepox. It's Pau. Nando, nanakawan. Still completed pa rin. Cordero. Pops over 3. Bang! Sinin! 6:01 remaining. Cordero, back-to-back field goals by Cordero. 3 points po yan. Pinapakon ni Cordero. 29-16. Second 5. Handaan nyo na po. Hoy! Nandun si and Visto mag-isa. Visto 2 points. And timeout called by Oryx. The score is 29-16. The biggest lead so far at 13 points para po sa Airport United. So, the blue shirts is in. 29-16 naman po sila. And back to the ball game, muli po tayo at 5:43 remaining. 5:43 remaining. Isang push pa daw. Isang hura. Melvin for the inbound. Melvin inbounding. Scott. Siya nagkitumon. Taki. Jao gamit. Melvin. No good. Cordero, Visto, wala, no foul. Nice guard by Mel. Scott, okay, easy to niyan. Scott for easy to. Almost had the ball. Scott, whoop! Pau for 3, nope. Mala sa pasa. Out of bounds. Chase 5. Jao gamit, sabi nila. Grabe talaga sa idol ko, si Albert Dino Malasigan. Okay, good. Mga Fighters. Okay, second pair po tayo po. Of course, si Bulawan, si Medina, si number 5, si Natur, at si Smith. Sa kabila na po, of course, si number 16, si Hilaw, si Babagay, Escobedo, at si last one. Sino pa? Okay, si Lopez. Sabi ni Barredo Lowell, shoutout po. Shoutout din sa'yo, sir. Nasaan ka, boss? May laro yata kayo, ah. Babagay. Barredo, si Lowell.
Lamang iyo?
Lamang ang erang AU.
Ang Orex o ang...
AU.
Amerika. Ano pa rin ah?
Hindi, pinabata sila. Wow! No good! Hindi, nagja-jave pa rin kasi. Kailangan mag-jave muna yan.
Oo.
Ang dami mga bago kasi. Espiritu, number 16. Lopez. Babagay for 3. Bang! Sire! 3 points, Babagay.
Lagi nagpa-practice dito yan. Lagi kami naglalaro dito.
Nagpapakondisyon din. Hindi, tsaka ano, ang kaano niya, si Casas. Ang kaano ni Babagay, si Casas. 2 points! Number 16, 2 points. Ang conditioning nila. 34-18. Bulawan for 3. Nope. Again, blue shorts sa rebound. Lopez, Bulawan. Good ball. Medina, pushing. Natur, and one playmate kay Natur sa wakas. Nakapunto sila. Siyang ngipin, di ba?
Ito freighter.
Freighters, yan sina Ruiz.
Oo. Freighter din.
Sayang, kung may isa pang yun.
Kaya nga,
Tatlong
12.
laro, 12.
Ganda sana kanito.
Mabilis yun.
Friday, 3 days Saturday.
Bibilis lang ang liga. Al-Natur, no good. Rebound, Smith ang rebound. Smith, driving Shong. Foul! Ilaw called for a foul.
Foul number 11.
Smith shooting for 2. It's in. First shot is in. Second shot, Smith. Jumper ready. Hey, Yasa. Sir, good evening po, sir. How are you? Hi. Hi po kay Sir Isa. Yes. 2 points. 2 shots made. Oy! Why? Stepping on the line. Sayang. Stepping on the line. Nullified. Shot is nullified. 30-point advantage still on Airport United. Babagay. Lopez again. Nope. It's Espiritu for 3. Ayaw. The Bulawan is there. Bulawan, nagdaan si Bulawan. Lopez. Nakalusot. Lopez. Out of bounds. Touch last by the white shirts. Babagay. No good. Rebound by the blue shirts. Nilabas mo yung Escobedo. And now Lopez, palpal. Foul call. Ouch. And penalty situation for Team Oryx. Penalty shots not given for Team Oryx. Number 11. And after this po watching will be of course Freighters versus In-Flights. Natur, no good. First shot, no good. Second throw shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Lowell Barredo, idol, yes. 2 points. Oh, sorry, shot made. Shoutout kay Lodi Cakes, Noel Barredo, sabi ni Sir Timothy. Okay, and now to Ilaw. Babagay again. Espiritu number 16. Babagay! Wow! And one play pa! 4-point possible play. Are 4-point opportunity for Mr. Para kay Mr. Babagay. Rare po yan. Rare opportunity po yan. A 4-point play advantage. 2:22 remaining. The score is 37-22. Babagay, number 8 for the bonus free throw. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Babagay, Al-Natur. Smith. Hey! Penalty situation, AU. Penalty situation. 2:07 remaining, 37-22. Number 13, Smith shooting for 2. No good. Second shot, jumper ready. Taki Pintal, pakipasok lang si JB. Okay, shot made. Katilabing 4 po ang kalamangan po ng AU over Oryx. And Espiritu, Bulawan Espiritu nagbabantayan. Nandun si Babagay, nice pick. Escobedo, Lopez, kick pass kay Babagay. Babagay nakalusot, binomba. Out of bounds. Who's ball rep? Blue ball. Blue ball. Espiritu. Lopez, malakas, Huerta naka-rebound. Nandun, touch last by Espiritu. Bulawan, number 1 for the inbound. Bulawan, number 1 now to Medina. Smith, Huerta kumakat. Huerta, Natur. No. Lopez, 1:16 remaining. Ilaw, palpal! Swipe away by Mr. Babagay. Ben, swipe yan, swipe. Parang gano'n. Parang credit card lang yan. Gano'n nga. Swipe away. Lopez, no good. Rebound battle by Ilaw. 2 points Ilaw. Ilaw, 2 points. 1:02 remaining. Smith, tumatake. Smith, uy! Ouch. Espiritu. Palpal na naman. Power move. Swipe away by Huerta.
Number 5. Warning for penalty.
Pwede go. Rep. Injury timeout. Okay, Smith. Medyo yata na sa banggaan. May naduguan. Okay, Scott, para kay Smith muna. 42 seconds remaining. 29-23. Sabi, wag mo na raw. Ay. Shit. Bloody. Okay, game. Melvin. Pumasok. Babagay, cake pass. Nandun si Medina. Babagay. Nahuli. Same ball. Score po, Sir Cervantes, 39-23. Lamang po ang AU. Bulawan for the inbound. Golden Boy Bulawan. Medina. Kick pass kay Melvin. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Uy! Blue ball. Ball is blue. Ball is blue. Espiritu. Lopez. Ayun, malakas ang pasa. 30 seconds remaining. Medina. Pushing. Bulawan. Nagis babagay. Nakalusot. Ends babagay. Call for the foul. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. Bulawan. Number 1, Bulawan shooting for 2.
Penalty.
After this po Inflights versus Freighters. Brand new team po yan po ng Aviation Friendly League. Bulawan first shot, it's out. Matagal din nakapagdala si Bulawan yata. Second shot, Bulawan, jumpers ready. 5 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. It's out. Rebound, Escobedo. Walang pinasa si Escobedo. 2 seconds remaining. Maling pinasahan. Binato. Wala na. Okay, the score is 39-23. Halftime po tayo. At picture muna po tayo. Halftime po tayo po ngayon, 39-23. I'm imposing 16-point lead advantage sa ating A-base, sa ating Airport United. Please take note po, Airport United finished first runner-up of Undercast sa championship po noong nakaraan season. Kaya we're expecting a very good ball game for tonight. And of course, meron po dito kasi po tayo, sa yung Oryx po kasi is, syempre, nag-rebuild po sila. Takapinta pa siya ito po kay Sir Albert, ang Taguro ng Oryx. Taguro. Masyado na ako malakas sa mundo ng mga tao. Taguro ng Oryx Taguro. ganito. Gano'n ako dito. Sabi niya. Okay, 3 shots given yata. Dahil sila yata mas marami. Sila po mas marami over Airport United. Kaya 3 shots given po yata.
Okay, white ball.
Okay. Okay, white ball po tayo. The score right now is... Ano score? Natakpan ni... Ano? Okay, 39-24. A 15-point advantage. Si Breton for the inbound with Jose. Scott, Chudilax, and Birdie. O si Albert. And of course, sa kabila po dyan po, of course, nandiyan po si Manson. Si number 26. Okay. Number 26. And of course, nandiyan din po si Babagay, si Bob, at si Francisco. Okay. Okay, Breton. Breton now to Scott. Okay, ito na. 39-24. Second half na po tayo yun. Bob. Jose, step back. Bang! Sirin! Ayan na. Ayan na, nag-step back na siya. Step back jumper by Jose is good. 39-27. Kinakala mas marami pa yan. And now to Manson against Scott. Scott being guarded by guarding Manson. Francisco. 2 points. Francisco. Nakabawi ka agad si Francisco. Bob, binabantayan si Scott. Bob, Scott, Bob, Scott. 2 points Scott. 2 points Scott. 26. Otep. Bob. Otep. Otep kay Josep. Otep. Kaldag. Barasigan. Scott nakalusot. Scott naman. Scott. 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 Nope. It's kick pass. Chudilax. Nope. Rebound. Francisco. Francisco naka-rebound. Francisco. Default shot. Kapos. Nando si Bob. Training job by Bob. It's good. Bob. Pop sa Babagay. 2 points. Babagay. 2 points Babagay. 8:32 remaining. 43-29. Malayo pa yan. Sige. Ralph Castor working OT. Okay. Jose na naman. No good. Rebound. Rebound Barawa. Bomb by Chudilax. Kick pass kay Scott. 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 Scott on the line. Nope, ayaw. It's down. 8:06 remaining. Shoutout kay Jordan Paulo Dimac. Hey. Beton. Birdie.
Marasigan.
Bang! She rin! 3 points by Marasigan. 7:50 remaining. Bob against Chudelax. Nagbabantayan. No good. Rebound by Marasigan. Scott nagmamadali. Mag-isa. Scott. Nawala ang bola kay Scott. Babagay. Dumidila. Nandun si blue ball yata. No, it's white ball. $7:22 remaining, 43-32. Humahabol po, slowly but surely. Nagko-crawl back po ang Team Oryx. Scott. Scott for 3. Nope. Out of bounds. Dalawa. Otep, last touch. Jose na naman. No good. Rebound. And Bob nagmamadali. Bob, stop. 3-on-2. Otep. No good. Rebound. Oh, Jose. Jose, rebound. Jose. Nandun si Francisco. Up, stepping on the line. Up. Stepping on the line for Francisco. Mr. Marasigan to Scott. Scott almost stole the ball by Bob. Jose naman. Jose, kick pass, Chudelax. Nice swing the ball. Marasigan. Nice one to Chudelax. Stole the ball. 2 points, Chudelax. 43-34, Siyam. Siyam na lang ang kalamangan ng AU. Otep, binababa ang bola. Otep. Bob for 3. Nope. Rebound. Natur. Scott. Binabati ni Bob. Scott again. Scott. 2 points Scott. Scott 2 points. 5:51 remaining. Third quarter action on the way. 43-36. 7-point lead from a height of 16. Down to 7 na lang po ang AU. Babagay for 3. Nope. Rebound Marasigan. Kick pass kay Jose for 3. Nope. Natur. Chudelax. 2 points Chudelax. And timeout called by AU. Okay, story so far from the height of 16 ng AU, bumaba na po ito ng 5 puntos. It took only 4 minutes and 37 seconds to do it. After 4 minutes and 37, 7 na lang po ang kalamangan. Third quarter po tayo ha. 43-38. 5:23 remaining. Whoa! 5:23 remaining. This is now a good rotation now, think so. Sa airport, sa ano. This is na ba ano. Ito na yung good rotation yata so far ng Oryx. Visto. Alnatur, binaman si Visto. Jepox. Visto. Swipe the ball by Natur. Binabantayan. Malayo. No. And good ball. Alnatur, nagmamadali. Alnatur. Nice one. Jose, 2 points. Jose, 2 points. Si Mr. Suave. Jose, 2 points. Nandun si Jose. Jose, nagmamadali. Jose na naman. Uy. 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals by Jose. 1 point lead na lang po ang kalamangan ng AU from the height of 16 kanina. Hoy! Escobedo. Ayun, Jepox, pagpal! Escobedo! 2 points Escobedo! Escat. Escat ang mabalik. Sila mag-isa. Escat. Chodilax. Jose. 45-42. Tatlong ng kalamangan. Good ball. Chodilax 2 points. Chodilax 2 points. 3:47 remaining. Cordero, malakas. Jose. Jose, binababambo ni Jose. Jose. 1 point lead remaining for AU. Jose driving shot. Uy! He's expecting to cut it, but he never cut it. Sir Austin Barantes, 45-44. Lamang pa rin po ang AU ng isa. Jobrap Visto. Shout out po kay number 2 Visto. Sabi ni kapatid. Okay. Visto now. Setting up the pace. Against Jose. Jose, nakalusot. Visto. Nice shot. Take 2. Score po. Yun nga. 3-4 remaining. 45-44. Visto number 2 shooting for 2. Visto number 2 shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready. Remarkable po. Jose has given the spark again. Of course, Smith is coming back already in the ball game. Okay, second try for Visto is good. Dalawa. To tie the ball game now. Bulawan. This is Scott. Lumabas si Scott. Jose. Bulawan. Wag mo na raw. Jose. Limcaco. No. Okay, set muna tayo. 2:46 remaining. Visto against Jose. Babagay. Pops up. Kapos. Nando si Limcaco. Hoy! Babagay, malakas. Bulawan, naka-rebound. Bulawan, driving strong. Bulawan, Limcaco, out of bounds. White shirts. Sabi dito si made na, okay, Cariaso para Jose. Good ball game kay Jose, ha. Back-to-back field goals kay Jose, ha, in third quarter. Espiritu also, papasok muna para kay Jepox. Nagdala ng aloma. Foul! Escobedo called for a foul. Nice cut. Now to tie the ball game, Smith shooting for 2. Smith first shot. It's out. Second shot, Smith, jumper ready. Jumper ready po tayo. Smith, jumper ready. It's in. 1 point ball game. 3:17. Espiritu, binababambo ni Espiritu. Against sa tour, Espiritu, kumakat. Di makali. Out of bounds. Malakas sa pasa. Now to get the lead back again for AU. From AU, Cariaso. Hoy! Espiritu. Malalim. 2 points yan. 2 points Espiritu. 40-48-45. Lumamang muli po ng tatlo ang Airport United. Cariaso. Bulawan. Nandun, intercepted by Di Makali. Foul! Bulawan called for the foul. Okay, Renzo Manson, pumasok muna para kay Di Makaling. Manson, number 5. Inbounding to Espiritu. Number 16, Espiritu. Bisto, umiilang bola. Nandun si Carriazo. Kumat. Manson. Manson naman. No. Rebound, Smith. Scott. Scott, binabang bola. Smith naman. Smith. Deso pass. 2 points. Natur. Babagay, number 8. Babagay. 3 search warning regarding Manson. Nope. Scott ang rebound. Carriazo. Carriazo, mag-isa. Wala. Nando si Bulawan. Buhay bola. Carriazo for 3. Nope. Short. Babagay. 2 points again. 28 remaining. Seconds remaining. 50-47. Coming up next is the 4th and final quarter. Scott. 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 Kick-off pass. Carriazo pops up. Nope. One more time kay Carriazo. Nope. It's Espiritu. Espiritu. Nope. Okay, that's it. Okay, the story so far from the height of 16. Bumabano po ito po sa tatlo. 50-47. Going to the 4th and final quarter. This is shows with you, RBG Vlogs with you. And ano po itong programa po natin? Hindi po ito siniskwela. Hindi po ito batibot. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. First of all, we will take the following sponsors. And of course, our participating teams po, maraming salamat po. We have 11 participating teams right now. This is now the eliminations. Playing now for the 4th and final quarter, Airport United versus Oryx Basketball. Okay, 4th and final quarter. Malalaman na kung ano mangyari malalaman. Jose a very good ball game in the third quarter. Okay, 4th and final quarter, Scott, Smith, Chudilac, Jose, and Bulawan. Sa kabila po, of course, Ilaw, Francisco, Manson, Bisto, and Babagay. Okay, 4th and final quarter start right now. Bisto, number 2, Bisto. Bisto, number 2. Bisto nagmamadali. Bisto, running shot, malakas. Rebound by Scott to Chudilac. Ha! Scott, 27 Scott. Bulawan. Bulawan. Bulawan, default shot, no good. Manson. Manson. Default shot. Nandun, touch pass, Manson, in and out. Chudilac sa rebound. Scott, Scott. Siya nagtitumang yun. Scott. Scott. Foul. Scott shooting for 2. Scott shooting for 2. Babagay called for the foul. First team foul. First team foul para sa team Airport United. Scott shooting for 2. At 9:07 remaining. It's in. Second shot jumper ready po tayo. Second free throw jumper ready. Second free throw jumper ready po tayo. It's in. Both basket made. 9:07 remaining. Again, Bisto nagtitumon ng bola. Bisto nagtitimon. Babagay for 3. Pagpal! Foul on Smith. Foul on Smith. Nice guard by Smith. Magkakaibigan yan. Francisco guarded. Nando si Chudilac. Chance now to take the ball game. Scott. Scott, nagbabalik. No, swiped away by Manson. Manson, nagmamadali si Manson. Manson, 2 points sa Manson. What it takes now to punch through the 3-point barrier set up by AU from 2 against Oryx. Scott for 3. Nope. Rebound. Bulawan. Jose. Foul on Francisco.
Number 0.
8-12 remaining. 52-49. Ang score po natin. Salamat po pala po sa mga viewers po natin. 20 loyal viewers po natin ngayon. Bulawan. Nope. Sinayang. Babagay, Jose. Babagay, Palpal. Nice D. Smith. Smith, binababa ang bola. Smith, atake daw. Smith. Foul. Smith shooting for 2 for sure.
Number 0. Francisco. 13 foul.
Smith, number 13, shooting for 2. 7:52 remaining. 40-55, 52-49. Napako na naman score po natin. Smith. In and out, 2 points. First shot made. Second shot, jump shot ready po tayo. 7:52 remaining. Both basket made. Okay, substitution na. Dimakali for Babagay. Dimakali for Babagay. Nice shot by Babagay. Bisto against Bulawan. Nako ng cut. Bisto. Sidestep move. Dribble shot. Top pass. Scott. Scott. Nope. It's Smith. Smith. Malakas. Scott. Dukot si lalim. Pasok. 2 points. Sa wakas. Lumamang na ang Oryx. 52-43. Babaga. Nope. It's Manson. Ang Bulawan. Ilaw. Muntik pa mawala. Bisto for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by foul on Jose. Foul on Jose. Okay, after 3 quarters, na wakas, nakalamang na po ang Oryx. 52-53. Pero Francisco shooting for 2. Francisco shooting for 2. Is out. Okay, for to tie the ball game. 7:10 remaining. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game in our midst right now. Francisco, number 0, shooting for the second free throw. It's in. Uy. It's tatawag. Let's cut for 3. No. Kalilong. Palpal. Up, 3, up. Traveling violation cover referee. Smith. Smith, number 13. Driving shot. Foul ang Kandol. Matibay si Kandol. Kandol. Okay, Kandol. Called for a foul. Smith shooting for 2. Smith shooting for 2. Okay, lamang ulit po ang Oryx. 54-53. 54-53, Oryx leading. Second shot, jumper shot ready po tayo. No good. Rebound, Natur. Natur. Chudilax. Jose. Jose. Pop sa Jose. Inline, no good. Tapos lang. Kandol. Kandol for 3. Nope, Jose. Rebounding, Jose. Chudilax. Natur. Mag-isa. Malakas. Walang foul. 6:05 remaining. Smith against Manson. Liipit ang konti. Di Makali. Di siya pass. Ayun. Wala. Malakas. Latour. 2 points Latour. Wait. Uh-oh. Padjak. Tumureni siya kasi. Go, Julius Mabagay, sabi ni... No bro, it's an injury. Okay, Al Natur, kinano. Medyo lang nagos yan Natur dahil sila ko Pumreno kasi. Okay, Albert Paul Al Natur. 5:27 remaining. Of course, si Cariaso pumasok na rin. Para kay Chu Deluxe. Kandol nilabas muna. Para kanino? Para kay Cordero. Escobidoso pumasok na rin po. Cordero number 9, inbounding. Jose, guarding Cordero. Manson, binapatay ni Smith. Babagay, Cordero again, Cordero. Thinking 3, ayaw. Nope, rap play. Foul! Escobi on Cariaso. Don't look now. The score right is 53-56. Favor na po tayo po ng Oryx. The white shirt is in. Escobido number 15 shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. It's out. Albert. Smith, binay-diretso. Wag mo na raw. Okay. Hold mo na daw. Scott, kumuha ng bola. Scott. Jose. Nope, ayaw. Kumuha ng pick. Naipit na konti. Good ball. Scott. D-shot pass. 2 points. 2 points Smith. 53-58. Manson for 3. Nope. Rebound Escobido. 2 points Escobido. Napalo. 55-58. 4:45 remaining. Oryx still handling a precarious 3-point lead over AU. Jose. Scott. Scott kumuha ng bola. Scott. Oy. Smith. Wala pa rin. Uy. Good ball. Good ball. Jose. Scott. Scott. Mali pinasahan. Ayun naman. Manson. No good. Foul. Albert Birdie. Malasigang call for a foul. Babagay shooting for 2. 4:06 remaining. Fourth and final quarter. Babagay. Babagay. First shot. Wala. Hoy, second game po. Standby na kayo ha. Dito na may where na you. Hoy. Okay, both basket made. 56-58. Sorry po. Okay, second game po for tonight po is Freighters versus Implied. Implied Freighters. Where na me? Where na you? Dito na me. 4:06 remaining. 4:06 remaining. 56-58. Okay, now final adjustments po ito for sure. Okay. Okay, Scott, Smith, Marasigan, Cariaso, and Jose. Kabilang course, Babagay, Escobido, No foul. Hoy! White ball sana pero blue ball. Tumama sa pa ng white ball, ng white shirt. What a ball game, grabe. Okay, ito na po tayo, Babagay number 8. Babagay against Smith. Ayun, Escobedo. Manson, binabantay ni Cariaso. Escobedo, palpal, may foul. Escobedo, much needed free throws for Escobedo to tie the ball game. A 15, Escobedo shooting for 2. It's in. Second shot, jumper's ready. 3:29 remaining. 3:29 remaining. Pops up. No good. Kapos. Okay, Chudilas pumasok na rin. Good game para kay Cariaso. Guarding duty para kay Manson. Now Chudilax now back in the ball game. Jose, Chudilax, Smith, Marasigan and Scott. Scott binabate ni Cordero. Denying the ball, the possession. Smith, no good. Wala. 57-58, no foul. Babagay. Palpal. Again. Foul on Marasigan. Oh. Isa lang pre, isa lang prod. Isa lang boss, isa lang. Oh. Laro lang tayo pare, laro lang tayo. Laro lang boss, laro lang. Bench muna, bench po. All players go to the bench, please. All players go to the bench. You have to talk this out. Ano ba to? Unang laro pa lang. Mainit ka agad. It's getting hot here. Grabe. It's getting hot in here. Grabe. It's getting hot in here. Grabe. Umati ka mong laban talaga. I think the referee should talk this thing out. Dahil kasi meron mga second motions na kasi nangyari. Okay. Story so far, penalty situation po ang Team Oryx. One more foul to give para po sa Team AU. The score is 58-57. Laman po ang Team Oryx. And the referees now, we should talk this thing out. There's some altercation between the two players. Ilan ka na pre? Ilan fan mo? Okay, game.
Number 9,
Marasigan, Smith, Babagay, tackle foul on Babagay. Okay, Smith, free throw for Manson. Okay, Natur, I think. Bungang nakapapayan si Natur yata. Binabanat lang yung kanyang ano. Nilabas muna yata si Smith. Hindi yata. 2 shots for Ilaw out of the take of the foul of Mr. Marasigan. Akop shooting kasi yon. Ilaw, nope. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot. It's in. Tabla. Jose. Scott. Foul. Penalty situation. Cordero, go for a foul. Penalty situation. Both teams now in penalty. Scott. Pasok. Lamang. Lamang muli. Ralph Castor. Huwag kayo mag-away, please. Tama. Second shot is Scott. 58, 59, 248 remaining. Iyan, mami na, Iyan. Crucial kasi. Boss. Mami na. Crucial kasi, crucial. Siya pilit. Mami na. Crucial. Siya Philip, mami na po. Crucial kasi, crucial. Babagay, driving shong, pops up, pasok ang bola. Lamang na isa muli AU. 2:33 remaining. Jose against Babagay. Scott, binabantayan. Jose, foul. Ilaw, called for the foul. Jose, must needed shots to put them in front again. Yun lang. Second shot, Jose, to tie the ball game. Jose, second shots, jumper ready. It's out. Rebound, battle won by Judelax. Scott, nakuha ng pick up. Okay, Scott, isolation play. Step front. Nope. Walang foul. Ayan si Cordero. Nope, is Babagay. Nando si Judelax. Nice trailing jumper, Judelax. Jose. Down. Penalty situation. Team AU. 1:49 remaining. Shoutout muna kay Fred Di Macali. 1:49 remaining. Jose shooting for 2. Okay, Jose shooting for 2 to tie the ball game. It's in. Okay, to give them the lead. At 1:49 remaining. Shoutout po para kay Ate Bina Rurut ng, ano ba yan? Nagiging ano? Bina Rurut sa Doha. Okay, good. Sabi Ralph Castor. Pops up. Foul on Scott. Take 3 for Cordero. Tatlo yan. Okay, take 3. Scott, go for the foul. Take 3, Cordero. 3 shots given for Cordero. In. Lamang, isa. Second shot, Cordero. Second throw. Lamang, dalawa. Last throw, jumper ready. Ralph Castor. Kay, ano ba to? Kay Ive Nasa. Okay. Okay, 3 kalamangan, 3 shots, 3 ins. Scott, babawi yan for sure. Scott, grabe siyong. Down sa baba. Penalty situation, Team AU penalty situation. Scott shooting for 2. Cordero number 9 called for the foul. Scott first shot. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready. Fourth and final quarter. Patapos na. It's in. Dalawa kalamangan. 1:20 remaining. Cordero mo rin. Tito mo ng bola. Cordero. Nagbabantay. Okay now. Babagay. Up. Babagay. Smith against Babagay. Kumon ng pick. Babagay. Swiped away. Manson against Jose. Manson. Palpal. Block. Chudilax. Nakauso. Tokos si Chudilax. Chudilax. 3-on-1. Okay. Smith. 2-point Smith. Tabla. Woohoo! And timeout called by AU. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game in our midst. The score is 63 all at 56 seconds remaining. Kung sino pa pumikit, talo. Ano masabi ko, sino pumikit, talo. Pitik bulag tayo dito yun. Sino pumikit, talo. Okay, 56 seconds remaining sa ating liga ng mga lumilipad. Aviation Friendly Dub as a Flying League. Thank you very much po. Okay, at 50 seconds remaining, 63 all po tayo. Ralph Castor kay Binasa. Benasa. Okay. Sige. Okay, Cordero, 62 all po tayo. Cordero, Manson, mga nagpasok po ng mga birdor for both teams. Scott, binabati namin si Cordero ngayon. Manson, 47 seconds remaining. Manson, driving Xiong. Nope, in and out. Right shirt sa rebound. And a foul called. And penalty situation. Foul on AU. Penalty situation. Sino titira? Sino titira? That's... Okay, Marasigan shooting for 2. Marasigan shooting for 2. Marasigan shooting for 2. Sartiga. It's in. Lamang. Muli. 40 seconds remaining. 63-64. Second shot. Marasigan. Nope. Rebound Smith. Scott, okay. Ano muna tayo? Scott. Nawala ang bola. Canadego. Cordero. Palpal. Nice block by Jose. Si Lolose. Ang galing mo magblanka. Nice block by Jose. Nice block. What a stop by Jose. Kay Cordero. 19 seconds remaining. 63-64. First game pa lang po ito, unang araw pa lang ito, pero napakaganda kaagad na pinapakita ng dalawang koponan na ito. 19 seconds remaining, 63-64. Block from Jose. A block from Jose. Okay, back to the ball game for the final 19 seconds of the ball game. They can shoot it or they can tie it. Choose your way. They can send it to overtime also. They can send it to overtime also. It's a possibility also. Smith, babagay, nagbabantayan. Uy. Manson for 3. Bang! Manson, 3 points! What the play! Grabe! Long 2. 3 points nga, Manson, confirmed. What a final play! Manson giving the bucket. Hitting that from the 3-point arc. Grabe, saan ang galing yun? (66-64), 16 seconds remaining. Scott. Nawala ang bola! Foul! Babagay. Shooting for 2. Grabe. Kakat sana si Scott doon, pero mayroong kumat din. Na-anticipate yung shot na yon, yung pasa na yon. Grabe. Babagay, first shot. Pasok. 4. Babagay again. Both basket made. Timeout. 4 ang kalamangan. 68-64. There we go now for the 14 seconds shot clock. Ten seconds remaining. Jose! Nope! Shoot the lax! 2-point shoot the lax! 3 seconds! Hey! 2 points! And they win it! AU escaping a 4-point win over Oryx. Final score 70-66. Congratulations Team Airport United for winning over Oryx. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Post game po tayo, ma'am.